Boker Tov Yeladim. Today we will begin our letter book X and Y. Our X makes the X sound, and when you make an uppercase X, you will start at your red line, take your pencil diagonally to the green, hop back up to the red line, and now you're going to make another diagonal line from red to green, but in the other direction. Same with the lowercase. You will start on the yellow, and you will make a diagonal line to the green, hop back up to the yellow, and make another diagonal line going the other direction down to the green. Our Y makes the Y sound like yarn, and we're going to make an uppercase Y by taking our pencil to the red and making a V. We're going to go down to the yellow and back up to the red, hop down to the yellow line, and make a stick to your green. Lowercase, we make a short diagonal line from our yellow to our green. We're going to hop back to the yellow, and we're going to now make another diagonal line going the other way, but we're going to make it with a long tail below the green. You will turn to your first page, and it will look like this, and it's the game of tic-tac-toe. And you will see there are X's and O's. And in all the O's, you will see something that ends with X, like box, ox, box, and six. Well, when you play the game of tic-tac-toe, you want to try to get 3 in a row. And it's X's turn. And you will find an X in your bag or attached to your book. And you want to glue that X either in this square or this square. And where would you have to put it to get 3 in a row? Well, if you guessed this one, you are correct. 1, 2, 3. A 3 in a row. That's the only place you could put it to win the game. You're going to turn your page. You will skip page 2 and save that for your small groups with the teacher. You will do page 3 where you're practicing writing your uppercase and lowercase X's. Remember, red to green, hop back to the red, and make a diagonal line the other way. Lowercase, yellow to green with your diagonal line, hop back to the yellow, and make a diagonal line going from yellow to green the other direction. You will notice you only have 2 rows of upper lowercase and only 1 row of uppercase and 1 row of lowercase. On page 4, you will see the letter Y in yellow. We want you to trace it first by taking your pencil here, bring it down to here and back up like a V. Pick your pencil up, and you are going to make a stick. Lowercase, start here, make your short leg, pick your pencil up, and a nice long leg with a tail. Today you have to get your yellow crayons out. You will need a yellow crayon to finish the page because we're going to draw some things that are yellow because yellow begins with Y. So we have a toy on the end of a string that you play, and it's round and it goes up and down on your string, and it's called a yo-yo. So you will draw a yellow yo-yo right here. Right here you will see a pan with a white thing in it, and they want you to draw something yellow right here. It's the center part of an egg called a yolk. Okay, don't color the whole thing, the whole white part yellow, because that would be scrambled eggs. They want to see just the yellow yolk in the middle. Up here you will see 2 knitting needles, and attached is a piece of yarn. Well, it's missing a big ball of yellow yarn, so they want you to draw a big ball of yellow yarn on the end. The next page is page 5, and you will skip page 5 and do that with your teacher. Pages 6 and pages 7, you will practice writing uppercase and lowercase y. Remember, friends, down and up, pick your pencil up with a short leg. Lowercase, short leg first, pick up our pencil, nice long leg with the tail. Your XY homework looks like this. You'll write your name in pencil, and the instructions today on the X page are to name the pictures and listen for the ending sound, the X at the end of the word. Color the ones that end with X. So let's go over our pictures. We have a box, a quilt, an ox, a fox, a cup, a sock, a X, an axe, a 6, a witch, and a pig. And then you practice writing uppercase X's and lowercase X's. Page 2 is fill in the missing sounds. The instructions are over here on the side of the page should you forget. But you have to fill in the missing letters. And here is a number 6. So you will be looking for the sounds at the beginning. S, I, x. Here's a box, an axe, an ox, a fox, and this skunk is stirring something. He's mix. You want the word mix. Page 4 of your XY homework looks like this. Practice writing your uppercase and lowercase Y's. You will color the yak with the uppercase Y parts brown and the lowercase y parts in yellow. And you can see, here's my yak, Yolanda Yak. Last is a rhyming page. You read the 3 words in the box and you decide which 2 rhyme. The one that doesn't rhyme gets an X. Well, they did the first one for us, so let's read the first word. Let's sound it out. Ba-ox, ba-ox, box. Now we're going to read the second one. Fa-ox, ba-ox, fox. Last word. Ba-us, ba-us, bus. So you can see bus does not end like box and fox. These 2 words end in ix. This ends in s. So you would put an X on the bus. And you have to read the 3 words in each box, and 1 word will not rhyme. And that's your XY homework.